Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. My name is Kat and today I'm going to be crocheting a flower for you. So if you want to follow along, you'll need some double knit yarn, and I'm going to be using this kind of oatmeal colour for the centre of the flower, and then I'm going to be using this lovely white for the petals. So first of all, we're going to be using this 3.5mm hook, which in American sizes is an E4 size. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I bring out new videos like this all the time, and I would love to see you in this community because I think it's absolutely amazing. We're going to do a magic circle first. So we're going to lay this over our hand, and then we're going to wrap it around twice. You can do that. And then we're going to take our hook and pull it completely through like this, and then we're going to hook it again and pull it through that loop. We're going to take our hand off, and then we have our magic circle here, and then we just kind of pull on these two until they're nice enough or a little bit smaller. And then we're going to do into the middle, we're going to chain 2, and then we're going to do a double crochet all the way around. So we're going to yarn over, pop our hook in, yarn over again and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, and you're just going to take your yarn over, pull through the first 2 and then pull through the second 2. If you don't call that double crochet, then just do exactly what I just did. I think it's double crochet in UK, but in the US it may be treble crochet. I'll have to double check with that. So yarn over, so you've got 2 there, okay? So yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through these 2 and then pull through 2 again. There's 3, and you can do 15 of these into this circle. So yarn over, hook through, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook, and you're just going to pull through the first 2 and then pull through the second 2. So that's 4. And pull through the second 2. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. And you can pull on this tail, and that's going to just close this circle. So where were we? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I said 11, didn't I? 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, now we're just going to pull on that tail again to fully close that loop. And then we are just going to slip stitch into this one here, this stitch here. So we're going to pop our hook through like this, and then yarn over, pull through, and then pull through this loop as well, and that just closes the circle. Okay, now we're just going to change yarn. So if you're happy with the middle, you can just chop that bit off because you don't need that anymore. Right, now we're going to take our white yarn, or whatever colour you want to use for the petals, and you've got to make sure you have 15 stitches around. You're going to pop our hook through any stitch that you want from front to back, and then pull the white yarn through, and then kind of do a link stitch. And then you want to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And in that same stitch then you're going to work a double crochet. So you're going to yarn over and then pop your hook through here, yarn over again, pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over again, pull through 2, and then pull through 2. Okay. And then we're going to go on to the next stitch, and we're going to pop 3 loops onto our hook. So we'll wind our hook around 3 times, and then in this next stitch here we're going to put our crochet hook, pull up a loop, so you've got 5 loops on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Do that again, so you've got 3 on your hook, pop it in the same hole as you did before, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And then we're going to decrease in this next stitch, so you're just going to yarn over twice, pop your hook into the next, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then to finish off, yarn over once and then pop that in the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Alright, so that's your first petal on your flower. And you can snip that off there and then make the next petal, but I like to keep it on, just it's easier. So what I do is I just slip stitch into the side of this petal here. So pull through that one and then pull through the loop, and then put your hook into the next ground stitch and then pull through and then pull through again. So you're doing 2 slip stitches along this line. Whoops. There you go. And then we're just going to do exactly that 5 more times. So in this stitch here we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to yarn over, pop that into there, pull through 2, pull through 2 again. We yarn over twice, so 1, 2, and then pop our hook in here, and then pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over 3 times, put our hook into the next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Do exactly the same thing, so yarn over 3 times, put that in the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And then we're just going to yarn over twice, pop that into the next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and then we'll yarn over once and pull yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and that's your next petal. Alright, so then just going to slip that just kind of tighten that up a bit, and then you're going to slip into this stitch, pull through, and then pull through the loop, and then slip into this bottom stitch, pull through, and then pull through the loop. Then you're going to be chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, like you have before. Yarn over twice, and in that same stitch you're going to pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over 3 times, pop your hook in that stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Do exactly the same again. Yarn over 3 times, pull up a loop, you'll have 5 on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Then you're going to start decreasing, so you're going to yarn over twice, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then you're going to yarn over once, go into that same stitch again, pull through 2, pull through 2. All right, that's your next petal, looking very lovely. And now we're going to just tighten this up a little bit, and we're going to put your hook through this one, pull through, and then slip stitch again, and then we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, and do that all over again. Yarn over, hook in, yarn over twice, 1, 2, hook in the same one, pull through, and pull through, and then in this next stitch you're going to yarn over 3 times and hook in, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Exactly the same again, where you're going to yarn over 3 times, and then you're going to go in the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through, pull through, pull through, and pull through. And then you're just going to decrease into the next stitch, so you're going to yarn over twice, triple crochet, pull through, pull through, pull through, and the next one you are going to yarn over just once, double crochet, pull through 2. Looking good. Okay, and then what we're going to do is the same as we did before. We're going to just slip stitch into this one, slip it through, and then we're going to slip into this one and slip that one through. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet. So we're going to yarn over twice in the same stitch, pop our hook in, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and then we're going to yarn over 3 times, and then put our hook in the next stitch, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and then exactly the same thing in the next one, which is yarn over 3 times, pop your hook in, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and then decreasing for the final time is we're going to yarn over twice, pop your hook in the next one, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and then yarn over twice, go in there, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then you want to yarn over just once and yarn over, and then yarn over again. Fasten these together, So I will do the slip stitch as I have done before. We're gonna slip there and slip there, and then we're gonna kind of pull this one out here, and then you can kind of, if you want to, you can kind of tie these up at the back just so they stay secure. There we go, and there's our crochet flower. Let me know what you think in the comments and what colour you're going to do yours. Thank you so much for watching today, I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to sign up to my email list, I will alert you of all my new videos, and I will leave a link below for you. If you like videos like this, you might like this one that is on the screen now. I hope you have a lovely day. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.